Hey guys, Christmas is over. It is time for us to reduce, reuse, and recycle. So stay tuned to this video. It's going to be an awesome combination of decluttering, of a haul, and of how we can prep for this year and get ready for next year's Christmas and the holiday season. This is going to be a fun video, so stay tuned. Real men get it done. All right, guys, so Christmas is done. It is over, and it's time for us to prep and get ready for the next holiday season. I know already. Not to stress you out, but a lot of people are already thinking about it. So let me just get you ready so that you can be ahead of the game for next year. All right, first things first. The day after Christmas or leading up to maybe the first week or two, sometimes it may be a little too late, but you want to go and see what the stores have to offer. You will get crazy, amazing deals and sales, upwards to 50 to 75% off. So if you haven't started doing that, it's okay. You still have time to have this as a to-do for next season, next year. But that's the first thing you want to do. So I want to actually show you my haul from what I got this year to help me prep for next year's holiday and Christmas season. Okay, so these are really cool. My wife, I saw these first and my wife was like, oh, I love them, let's get some more. But they're huge ornaments. We got all our stuff from Walmart. So we spent probably about $150. It would have been easily $300 of just decorations. So we're prepping, as I said, for next year. So big ornaments, we may put these outside for next year. We live in the South, so pretty good weather during this time. It's a nice, beautiful day, even today, being December, January weather time. So these are really cool. Got them in an assortment of colors. We'll probably end up using these, as I say, outside for next year. Bam, first thing that we got. Awesome tree skirt. Was $25 down to $12, so just awesome. Tree skirt. Trees. Green one and some black ones. Talk a little bit about that in a second. But for the inside, outside, possibly for next year. All right, I'm picking up on my theme for next year. Mini tree toppers for the trees, mini tree skirts for the trees. These are really cool. One says Christmas, one says blessings. So those are all really cool. Other stuff, you see some season's greetings, again $3, normally $3 down to $1.50. A couple different things of those. Some more, just kind of toppers. I think these were $2.50, half off. And some cool lights, different lights, $6, $3, half off. So we're gonna probably use these with the garland. String these around the garland, just do some cool effects for next year. Some window cutouts. Tinsel garland. Some nice little cool church houses that are red, black, and white. All right, so did you see my theme? My colors are gonna be a combination of black, red, and white for next year. Some of this was, it was purposeful, but it was also based off of what was actually left. I'll be honest to say that this go round went a little bit later than I normally go. Went about a week after Christmas. Normally I would go the very next day. So it just depends on when you go and what you find. But we found some still awesome deals, some awesome sales of some things. So that's going to be my theme for next year. So just have fun with it, go. It's not meant to necessarily go buy up the whole store, but go have fun, maybe have a couple items in mind, but be planning for next year. I highly encourage, don't buy stuff as the season is starting, because of course you're going to pay full price. The day after Christmas, that week after, 2 weeks after, leading up to New Year's, it's going to be an awesome time to grab some awesome deals and get you in preparation, in mode for next holiday season. All right, the next thing that we need to do is to begin reorganizing all of our stuff. So we have old stuff, we have new stuff, we may have stuff from previous years. This is a time that we'll start going through everything to maybe start to regroup it and declutter, throw some things away that we may not have used. Or as I say, if we can reduce, reuse, recycle, give it away to someone, give it to Goodwill. But I'm really keeping now probably 3 different kind of styles that I can play around with for Christmas. So I'm gonna do a little bit of inventory, seeing what I have, organizing, decluttering, and then after that's all said and done, we'll be able to purge and begin to move forward with our next step of actually getting everything all packed up and ready to be stored. How do we store all of this stuff? Granted, you can go out and probably buy at this time a lot of different boxes, decorating boxes, organizing boxes. Those end up being on sale too, so you can snag up some of those for your inventory. But I'm a firm believer, as I said, reduce, reuse, and recycle. So I like to use stuff that I already have as best as possible, keeping the cost down so that I can maybe spend a little bit more money getting the decorations. And this year, my decorations, I tried to up my ante, up my game a little bit, because some of the other influencers that I connected with over this holiday season, man, their decorations were so awesome. So this was my first Christmas as a YouTuber. So I was like, okay, next year I'm gonna have to up my game up, make sure I have a few more decorations in the bag, and make sure I put up my video a little bit earlier. But anyway, again, so that is cool because we all motivate each other. So just seeing all the beautiful videos that went out, awesome videos that went out this holiday season, definitely motivated me for next year. So I'll be ready. But yeah, just utilizing stuff that you already have. So as you see, I have, old Walmart boxes, the stuff that your gifts came in. Don't get rid of these boxes. These are some good sturdy boxes. Different gifts that you had, you can use these to organize and put things, ornaments in. So if you can snag some of those boxes, that is great. If you end up throwing all yours away, check with your neighbors, check with some of the stores. Again, holiday season is still in full throttle, so there'll be stores and things that'll still have boxes. There'll be people who will still be getting packages throughout the new year and beyond. So get that from your friends and neighbors so you can use that to package and package your things for safekeeping. Also, a really good thing that we do in our family, we reduce, reuse, and recycle. I'm telling you, we aren't too shy to ask for bags back. So if we gift a bag, especially if it's with our immediate family, and we know all they're gonna do is end up in the trash, we'll be like, okay, there's your gift. Give me that bag back because I'm gonna use it. I'm talking about for Father's Day, Mother's Day, Christmas, birthday parties, you name it. So we have a collection of bags and also a collection of tissue paper, which can really come in handy around this time because your very delicate items you can repackage and repack with old tissue paper, and you're not spending an arm and a leg of going out and buying new tissue paper. These are some of the new bags that we got this year for the kiddos, and we were like, yeah, give us those bags back so they don't end up in the trash. But beautiful bags that we can reuse for a couple years, and again, not have to go out and repay that money every year to get a brand new bag. we're wrapping this up. Gonna finish up and get the tree all boxed up, but here is my progress. So all of our outside stuff, have that all kind of organized as one swoop, things that kind of go outside. Our miscellaneous box of like hats and our stockings and stuff like that. A little bit of extra wrapping paper. I got my colors broken down, so for next year's box, I'm already good to go. I broke down all of the red decorations. I'm gonna have to maybe get some more red ones, some more black ones, but everything in terms of ornaments, but all of the new gear that we just bought is all there. We had from a couple years ago a kind of purple and green set, condensed and threw some old stuff that was broken away and got that all nice and neat. And then just all the remaining green and gold and silver ornaments that actually went with this ornament set, kind of separated those just to make sure that they were good to go for next season. Tree will come down, then we will get forward with getting everything out of here and getting this living room back to looking nice and neat. Oh, forgot our paintings and stuff up here, so I'll grab all our paintings and stuff, get all those as well.